Good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you might be in this space. Today we are going to discuss coming big correction on S&P 500 CME future. For this, I have taken a chart on TradingView. We will discuss three types of indication or three patterns that are popping up on the chart. First is double top, second is RSI Bearish Deviation, and third is ninth red candle with pink candle. So first we start with bearish deviation. On a daily chart, we can see there is three consecutive bearish deviation. We will mark it as A1, A2, A3. Okay, if we connect this candle, if we connect this candle to this candle and term it as A1, similarly connect this candle to this candle, term is A2, term it as A2, connect this candle to this candle and term it as A3. In correspondence, in on a same point, like the initiating point is this, so the corresponding point will be this one, not this one. This is wrong. It should be corresponding point should be this one, this one, this one. Okay, so if we connect this point to this point, I think this is also wrong. Let me correct it. Yes, this is wrong. This is wrong. It should be this one. So no, this is not a deviation. This is not a deviation. Remove it. Remove it. Remove it. Remove it. This is not a deviation. So we are left with only two deviations. One can see A1, A2. Remove the third one. We will remove it. Okay. Okay. We remove the deviation A3. We are left with two deviation A1 and A2. In RSI, the slope is downward, whereas on a chart on price the slope is upward. Similarly, if we take for A2 on RSI, the slope, there is no slope. Actually, there is no slope, it is horizontal, but on a price level it is upward. So these two deviations are showing that it is a bearish deviation and there will be a correction in future. Okay, now take another chart. In this chart we can see that we made a top here, we have again made a top here, but there is a slight rejection from the top. But previously it is clear that we had a rejection from this top though, so it has made this double top and we might see a big rejection from these levels. Okay, another is on daily chart. We there on TD sequential on daily chart, ninth red candle popped up here. Ninth red candle. After ninth red candle, there is another pink candle, as it has popped here. After a ninth red candle, we got a pink red candle. So ninth red candle is the first indication that we are going to have a correction. We got an indication that we are going to have a correction. Pink candle is another indication after the red candle that yeah, sure, it is sure that there would be a correction. If we get another after after 3 to 4 days, we get another darkest candle as we got it here. If we got other darkest candle after 2 to 4 days, so that would make sure that we will have a correction. So the correction is imminent. By looking this, the correction is imminent, and it can be from 10% to 20 to 30%. Okay, so if we look here, we have discussed that it has already made a double top. After a double top, there is a saying that we should wait we should wait for exponential moving average ribbon to crossover. You see that the darkest one is at the bottom. It crossed over here, and now the darkest one gone to the upper levels, and the green one, the lighter one, came below. So here it is the confirmation that yeah, we are in a downtrend. Here is the confirmation that we are in a downtrend. But we got into a correction, a big correction of about 15 to 16% after rejection from the top. So one can wait for the confirmation that the trend is downward, or one can jump into the trade that we are experiencing the rejection from the top, and we can have more than 15% correction, right? So after this is a downtrend. It confirms that this is a downtrend, and rejection from the top confirms that we will have a correction. Now looking on this chart on a DPO, 21 scale, whenever we touched this line, we have a correction. You can see here we have a correction whenever we touched this top line, top resistance level. Again now we have touched it, and we will have a correction. So these indicators, this one DPO, double top, TD sequential ninth red candle with a pink candle, and RSI deviation, bearish deviation on RSI scale. These all are telling us that we are going to have a big correction, and we may have a downtrend. The trend may change. Okay, the correction is imminent, but the trend, for the trend to change, we have to confirm it on EMA ribbon. Okay, after it crosses over, after darkest one goes up and lighter one comes down, this is the trend reversal indicator. Okay, right, thank you.